Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Whataburger. I ended up getting a sweet, spicy bacon burger from Whataburger. I got the Whatameal and I also got a Sprite on the side. I ended up tasting the sweet and spicy bacon burger with Kiana the other day when she was sharing her food, and it was really good. I never actually tried it before, so it was really good. I had them cut my burger in half, and I also asked for extra sweet and spicy, so hopefully I actually did it right. So far it looked good. I mean, the cheese still looked good as well. And yeah, they have some mustard on it too, so that's good. It is good. Depending on which one you go to, it seems like they try to be stingy with the actual sauce. I really don't like Whataburger burgers like that because sometimes it seems like so bland, the meat do. This is good. Oh, excuse me. It somewhat reminds me of that Burger King's rodeo burger with the onion ring, or either that. I don't know if it's from Burger King or Jack in the Box, but anyway, it's called rodeo burger, and they have an onion ring on it, and they have barbecue sauce on it. Excuse me. That's good. Everything over here has been interesting. A lot of mess, a lot of craziness. Not necessarily mess as far as other people, family and friends. It's just like I got a lot of interesting things going on lately. But I'm still here. I guess that's good. Always. At times I can really see why a lot of grown-ups run away, or they just vanish from thin air. Just leave their troubles away. You can't run away from troubles that's mentally. So, well, grown-ups sometimes run away from things that's physical, or in their life that's physical. But once it hits mental, it's like no way to run from it. Unless it's actual somebody or something physically that's actually causing you mental issues, if that makes sense. Either way, I can see why people run away. Sometimes with Whataburger, it seems like sometimes their burgers be good. I mean, sometimes their food be good. As far as the burger or the chicken strips, like the main course be good, but the side, which is like the fries or like the snacks, is like usually horrible. This time the burger is good and the fries are somewhat interesting. I mean, I waited too long to eat it probably, but the fries are like, wow, I can live without it. And that was interesting. And like, wow. What's that season? Mm. I would probably put this up right up there with Burger King burgers. It probably will be a little ahead depending on who's actually cooking it and what location I'm going to. I would prefer these over Browns burgers somewhat, depending if they fix it right. But nothing really beats a homemade burger. It's good, but it's not gonna be the homemade burger, but it's actually really good. The last time I went to Browns, though, it was like somewhat, it was interesting tasting. I should have knew that I shouldn't have probably got something, but I was craving it since I was like out. I only go outside really once a week. So I was like somewhat craving it. I was like, let me go get some Browns while I'm at it. So I went to in the parking lot and I let down my window, and it smelled like kind of like some old oil in the air. So it was like the only actual restaurant within like 2 blocks. So I was like, what the heck? I should have assumed that the food was gonna be trash. And you know, when I went through the drive-through, a second window, the woman that was giving me the food, it seems like I don't have no problems with people who have like things on their face, because I have acne and stuff like that. I have things on my face. And but she had like a herpes bump, and then she had a mole hanging off her lips. And I was just like, what the heck? I mean, I don't discriminate, but that was kind of like, it seemed like she was having a breakout, like a really bad breakout, and it was about to explode on her lips. But yeah, that didn't really, I don't think that grossed me out, because I did, like, I was just like, let me go ahead and try it. I was trying to just like get that out of my head. But yeah, she ended up giving the food. I ended up going home and eat it. I ate it immediately once I got home. It was like still warm, but it was disgusting. It wasn't like, it seemed like they put a whole bunch of pepper on the burger, and the fries, of course. It's kind of disgusting. It tastes like they brought them in old grease. It was just like, what the heck? It's not the usual Browns I usually go to, but I don't know if they food is always like that, because it's like not the Browns I usually go to at all. So I know if I go to Browns again, I'm probably just gonna end up going to the one that I usually go to, and it's by my house, right by my house. Oh yeah. I don't know why they were line was so long. I wish they would have gave me like a side of that sweet and spicy sauce on the side, so I can just dip it in the burger. That would have been better for me. Cause I would love to actually like drown my food or drown my burger from like the condiments, like mayo and mustard. I don't like ketchup on my burger at all. I keep on forgetting they have 2 meats on this actual burger. Have to ask next time what kind of sauces they have, because it looks like this one have mayo on it as well. With the sweet and spicy sauce. And the mayo, not the mayo, but the mustard. Can't really tell, but it has mustard like right there in between that stuck to the cheese. There you go. Pretty good. Why no other restaurant have good freaking Sprite or 7-Up, whatever, 7-Up Sprite? I think, let me see. This is Sprite. Let me see. It goes. Sprite. I think, yeah, they sell Sprite too, I think. Not 7-Up. But every time, that's the only purpose I would actually go to McDonald's is get that Sprite. Probably get some French fries here and there, but I don't like their food like that. And get one of their strawberry cream pies. But no, like I was saying, no other restaurant has better Sprite than freaking McDonald's. It's strong and it make you burp. I don't know what the heck. It seems like all the other restaurants just be having like water mixed in it. I don't know. That's weird. But I really don't like getting sodas and drinks from like fast food restaurants. But yes, just for this purpose, I have to probably end up getting my own ginger ale. I think I got something in the icebox. Yeah, see how that goes. Hey, I had to go get a ginger ale that was hot, unfortunately, and the only thing that I have cold is like beer and juice and stuff like that. And I don't want it, so I'm just gonna actually drink this. Now, I just been watching Fear Street. That's the only thing I really been watching lately. Been trying to watch through it. I like the first one. I think first one was 1994, and it was interesting. It was kind of giving me vibe that it was trying to be funny, but it was like interesting. I really wasn't getting interested in it until maybe part 3, which is I think 1666, which they were like telling all the backstories and all this stuff, how everything became and how the whole shady side and Sunnyvale side like basically came to be. Like one side prospered and the other side just like a lot of killings and crazy crap going on. But it was pretty good. I'm still on part 3, 1666. I think I'm halfway finished. It seems pretty good. The 1666 one seems pretty good so far. R.L. Stein. I did his stuff on that one. I thought he was officially done, but I guess not. been like good. Now I'm just waiting on P Valley to actually come up, which just seems like taking forever in a day. That show is like pretty good, but it's somewhat raunchy. Strippers and all that stuff, but I think I've seen more, like on the first season, I think I've seen more penis than I've seen like girls, which was in a girl strip club, which is weird. But I like that. I'm waiting on that season 2, and now I've been watching this show called David Makes a Man, Makes Man, something like that. That actually have like Felicia Rashad in it. It's like, well, one of the characters that was on season 1. She's on this show, and that's like really like the main person that I can say that's not like really famous. I mean, that's famous, and everybody else just really, I don't know. It's the first time seeing a lot of them. A lot. I think they really sopped the bread up in this sweet and spicy sauce, because I can like really taste it in the bread. Like this thing, like it's really soaked in the bread, which is a good thing. And I wanted them to grill both of the buns, which is actually great. They followed through with my actual orders, my app order at least. Okay. Interesting. Okay. This crap off. Okay. Other than that, just watching those shows and just chilling, same old. Nothing really major. Seems like they gave a lot of fries. And it seems like I've been eating fries all freaking day. But that's a good thing, at least. I just don't have any more of that spicy ketchup. It's a girl that I used to work with, like in my job that I'm working at now. We went on like lunch break. We went to Whataburger before, And she was like, yeah, you know, it's a specific time that the actual ketchup expires. And I was like, okay, I didn't know that they had it listed. I mean, I knew it expired sometime, but I never seen it on the actual. I never seen it on the actual package at Whataburger, which is weird. And then we were talking to the cashier, and she was telling him, and he said he didn't even know. And I was like, okay, you must be deep in the game working at Whataburger or some stuff, or maybe it was required. And was something probably required when you actually used to, when you work at Whataburger. You would think you want to give your customers some bad ketchup, I guess. Yeah, I really feel like I've been eating all day on this one burger, and especially these fries. Go ahead. I'm gonna figure out what the heck going on. Okay. Dang, that felt way better. Felt like it actually brung up my food from 2 days ago. Dang. Yeah. Time to get the day started. Thick. I really can see how this burger can like if you keep getting it over and over and over, it kind of get played out. It should probably be like a once in a blue moon. You want to treat yourself like something like that, but not every day. I guess I should start exploring some new things on the Whataburger menu, because I didn't know that they had. Well, I knew they had a large menu, but I'm just so basic. I always get like the #1 or the like chicken strip, or there's something like that, like the menu, like something like that on the menu. So. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna finish all these fries. And I'm almost out of spicy ketchup, so and I don't feel like going to go get some more. I have some more in my cabinet, but yeah, it's a long walk right about now. You know, finish the rest of the burger, but as far as the fries, this stuff is not exactly do today. I want to actually do things today. I don't want to just like go to sleep early over this dang burger. Yep, it was good. I'm done. I think I got more food off of soda and fries, but yeah, I'm done. Doing some trash, okay? I would save it, but it's not enough. It is. I mean, it's not enough things to put up in the refrigerator. I can't. At all. Okay, that was good. I enjoyed it, but I think I got full, really full on the extra fries itself. I just think like that. Kept on going and going and going. And the bread is somewhat tasting like at the end, like they actually sauteed some onions and garlic, and then they put the butter in, and then they just had like grilled the bun with it. But then it tastes like that they soaked it in that sauce as well a little bit. It's good though. I think I'm starting to get somewhat played out of it, because I went, after I ate it like probably 2 weeks ago, I went like 4 or 5 times already, not including this time, to get some more. So yeah, I'm like about tired out of it. I'll probably try again in probably 2-3 months. And yeah, what are some new things that you guys actually try on the Whataburger menu, so I can actually try some new things or whatever, or like other places? I don't even know. I'm really basic. I always get seems like the exact same thing. So yeah. That was good. I need a nap, like hopefully a 2 or 3 hour nap, but from the looks of it, probably gonna be me waking up tomorrow morning to go to work. But yeah, I'm about to get off of here. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully sooner than later. Later, guys.